Hey, so I got a box new delivery thing from Arjun Creations. I opened it to just check it was what I thought it was, and I haven't actually looked at things fully in there, so here's an unboxing. So first off, I've got these awesome Wingdings from Titans. So I've got two of these. Yeah, they are so awesome. I think they were in episode 3, maybe even episode 2. What episode was it? The episode they were in, straight away I was just like, I want that. That's an extra thing to go with this suit. So, yes! So yeah, they're so cool. I'm gonna like, it won't focus, but they're so cool. There they are. Yeah. So when I have some Wingdings to go with this cosplay, when I don't want to carry the like sticks around, so yes. And the other things I have in this box aren't really Nightwing related, but he does. I'm gonna not speak while there's rustling. Sylvie crowns from the Loki series, both the kind of like snapped off one and the other one. So you guys should definitely check that out. I think that's his like best selling thing at the moment. You get 10% off his Etsy store with the code Pajama10, so do that. They're really light and like, yeah, maybe I shouldn't do that like an idiot. But yeah, I imagine you can like add a strap on the back or literally glue them to yourself. So yeah, check out Arjun Creations on Instagram and Etsy. Use the code Pajama10 on Etsy to get 10% off, or message him on Instagram and get 10% off paying him directly with the code Pajama10. And yeah, really cool Wingdings. So if you are a Nightwing fan and you want some cool Wingdings, like Titans related, go get them. That is all.